Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hide notes from someone on Instagram. First, understand that Instagram notes are brief messages that appear at the top of your direct messages, visible for 24 hours. To control who sees these, you'll need to adjust your privacy settings. This process involves navigating to your profile and selecting specific sharing options, ensuring your notes are only seen by your intended audience. To begin, open your Instagram app and navigate to your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the section titled Who Can See Your Content, and from there, tap on Close Friends or Notes. This is where you will manage your note visibility settings. Within the notes settings, you'll see options to share your notes with either followers you follow back or close friends. To hide notes from specific individuals, choose Close Friends. You can then manage this list by adding or removing people. Only those on your close friends list will see your notes, giving you precise control over your audience. Always remember to regularly review your close friends list to ensure it accurately reflects who you want to see your notes. Notes are temporary, disappearing after 24 hours, so you don't need to manually delete them. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below for the link and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.